Welcome to my tour tales. I'm Eric Stone. You know this guy? That's Kevbo from pubclub.com.
Right here at Pub Club World Headquarters in Hermosa Beach, California.
We're watching the sunset, and then we're going to have a little fun after that.
We're having fun right now. What do you mean after that?
Oh, that's true. But after sunset, it's like, it's supposed to be like, you know, up a few notches after sunset.
Well, we do it here all the time because at pubclub.com in Hermosa Beach, every day is the 4th of July, and every night is New Year's Eve.
That works for me. And in case you're wondering where we are, this is not exactly a bad piece of property. Take a look. Oh, look. This is where we are. This is where we're filming. This is Pub Club World Headquarters, y'all. So we'll see you at the end. Pub Club World Headquarters, aka Kevbo's house, is an amazing place to watch the sunset. They're right on the Strand, there's lots of people walking around, and it is one of the most breathtaking places you'll ever see a sunset. We were hoping for a green flash, and you never know with those things, but man, did we get a killer one. It's one of the best ones I've ever seen. Once the sun set, the moon and the stars came out, and it was spectacular. I never get tired of that. PubClub.com is a site for Pub Club World Headquarters, and that's where Kevbo's been making his living for many years. You'll even find some of my tour tales there. Check it out. Besides PubClub.com, Kevin's a huge fan of the University of Alabama. He's going to tell you why now.
The University of Alabama is where I went to college. My father paid for out-of-state tuition in Tennessee for me to go to the University of Alabama because he went there. So it has very special meaning to me. Everything I want to do, journalism-wise, I went to school there. They're one of the top journalism schools in the country, and I want to make my father proud. Doesn't everybody want to make their father proud? I can't believe what he did and paid double tuition. I was from Knoxville, Tennessee, home of UT, but he paid for me to go to Alabama because he went to Alabama. So that's very special to me. I went and played in the $1 Million Band at the University of Alabama, and let me tell you, what a great experience that was. Walking on the field, 80, 90,000 people. As a pimple-faced freshman walking on the field for an Alabama game, I'm part of it. I'm part of the team. I'm part of the university. Walking on that field, we have an owner and announcer. That just, I'm getting chills right now too, talking about it. And anyone who watches me thinks I'm sort of silly watching Bama because I'm so passionate, you know. But people are passionate. I'm very passionate about Alabama, what my father did to me, the $1 Million Band, and being a part of it. And when I was in college, I went to every pep rally. They had to beg people to go and play the pep rallies. I went to every single one. Why not? I played in the pep band at every single basketball game. You got to enjoy your college experience, and you can't get that again. So, yes, I'm very passionate about the University of Alabama. See?
I only got one thing to say to you, man. War Eagle. No, that's wrong one.
Oh! Don't like those people.
Let's do the right one. Ready? What's the right one?
The right one is Roll Tide.
There we go. Tide Pride. Cool. So that's a gift from the world famous Gary Haas.
Yes. Right.
Gary's Allen fame. Kevin's Tiki. So Kevin, what are you making? What is this drink you're making?
This is the kind of official PubClub.com house drink, which includes good rum from the Caribbean. It's got to be dark rum from the Caribbean. My buddy Lou O'Leary, who's the greatest rum drink maker of all time, told me you have to use juice. So he says orange juice. So I've got some rum in here. Notice the nice proportion of it.
It's Persian rum too.
Well, they're not a sponsor, so but yes, any good. Actually, Ron Barcelo gives me rum, and that rum is over the top.
Oh, yeah.
We're more casual now. I use that for special occasions.
All right.
So here we have some dark Caribbean rum. Notice the proportions, about 60%. Take some orange juice, pour it on the top. Now, as Lou O'Leary taught me, you need something more to sort of cut the acidity of the orange juice. So I just find this stuff. Here's some guava juice. So I just put a little guava juice in here at the top. Now, Lou O'Leary would tell you need some dark rum as a topper. And he's also got another kind of rum in there too. But this is just the basic Pub Club house drink of rum.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. It's just another Sunday night, or any night, at PubClub.com World Headquarters. That's when, Christian's later.
Well, that pretty much wraps it up for Pub Club World Headquarters, y'all. Hope you enjoyed that. I made it home safe to the motorhome, and I'm back editing some video. If you want to learn more about Pub Club, go to pubclub.com. Please subscribe and hit that bell notification. For my tour tales, I'm Eric Stone. Remember, open roads, open minds.